Hi guys, it's Beth from Avery Home Search. Today I'm doing this video to show you some of my must-have items from Amazon.com. First, I'm going to show you this 6-piece champagne ornament set. I love the sequins that it has on it and the shimmer that it has on it as well. You know I'm all about the glitz and glam, so I thought this would be a great addition to what I already have. This is a 16-piece rose gold set. I like this one as well. I'll leave everything in the description box so that you can take a look. Now this one is a 24-piece champagne ornament set. All of these items that I'm showing you today are shatterproof, and they all come in multiple colors. So if you like any of these, definitely click on the links in the description box and check out the color that you're looking for. I have never seen ornaments like these. They're kind of clear and they're filled with different types of materials. Some are sequins, some are just gold balls, some are glitter, and some look like bubbles. They have a bubble effect. Now this next one is a 12-piece pine cone set. They also come in different colors. Now if you know me, you know I like glitter, as I just said, so I've got these that came with some glitter gold. And look, even some glitter rose gold. So I just adopted the rose gold color and I like them. So I do have this shiny rose gold as well as the just plain shiny gold. Thought this would be a nice addition to what I also have that I'll be putting on my tree for this Christmas season. And they come in different colors. So check out these candy canes. They're a 12-piece candy cane set. They come in red and gold. And I have this 6-piece gold and silver poinsettia. They're picks that you just put anywhere. They come folded up and you just basically spread them out and shape them into the poinsettia. Now I have two more poinsettias. I have this 6-piece plaid poinsettia. I like the shimmery bronze gold color in it, and I think it'll be a nice addition as well to my tree. And I'm going to show you the last one. It's a 15-piece silver poinsettia, and basically I purchased the flock tree over the summer and I wanted to get it over the summer just so I can get a deal on it. And I'm going to show you that later in this video, but first I want you to look at the actual tree skirts that I purchased. I got the largest one I could get, and I'm going to show you a little bit of what the flock tree looked like. Like I said, the price was a lot cheaper than what's listed on Amazon.com right now because I got it in the summer. This one, like I said, is a large skirt. They do have different sizes, and you might see one that you like a little bit better than this one. This was just my preference, but yeah, this is definitely for Christmas my Amazon must-haves, and this one sheds a lot. I'm just letting you know right now because I'm opening it up and I'm looking at all this stuff fly around. And I just wanted to say one last thing about the Christmas tree. It didn't really shed that much as far as the flock, but this skirt right here, in the comments there were a lot of good reviews. They didn't say anything, oh goodness gracious, about it shedding. I don't know if you can even see that on camera. So right now I feel like I need a mask. So guys, yeah, go ahead and check out the links, and I will see you on the next one.